Hi guys, welcome to my page. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. Yes, cook fried sardine rice with me. Yes, we have a vegetable oil, onions, and combination of green and red bell pepper. Yes, I decided to use both colors. Yes, at times I use only one color depending on how I want it. And this is the wash rice that we are adding. Then after stirring all together, we are going to add our spices and a Maggi and salt. So we allow them to steam or fried, whatever way you want to call it. Then we had our pepper. We had our water. Sorry about that. Please, guys, if you're just joining my page, kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Yes, a subscription, your comments actually keep me going. It encourage me to do more and more and more. So, we are stirring are fried. Yes, we are frying it. Yes, it's actually very dry. And I remember my nutmeg. Yes, I love nutmeg. And this is not chicken cube. I love not chicken cube as anytime. This is salt. And we had a sardine. We still hot together. Yes. And again, we are going to add more sardine to it. I remember I used stock. Yeah, I used stock meat as well. So let's stay hot together. Then we had our water. Please stay tuned for my next video. Yes, please, guys. I love you guys. Stay tuned. And for this particular video, stay and watch to the end. You can actually have this for lunch. Yes, or for dinner, anyhow you want it. Yes, you can actually use as a packed lunch for your kids to school. Yes, food is food.